Hello everyone, this is our wholesale model UPS 203. It has 6 outputs. As you can see, 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, and 19 volt. With 2 cables. With 13,200 mAh high capacity. The maximum output power can be 18 watts. Okay, let's see how it can work. You can use 2 cables to contact with your devices. Today I will contact one ONU, one router. Please note that if your device are 9 volt, you should link in the 9 volt outages. Like this. Similarly, if your device are 12 volt, you should link in the 12 volt outages. Like this. Okay, if you want to know more details, welcome to contact with us. We are 15 years professional manufacturing and will be happy to help you.